Civilians in Syria have pleaded for foreign help for 5 years.
She is Exit. She lives in a country at the Near East. In her country, she doesn't have any rights, she can't learn, can't drive a car, and there is war. Exit decided to exit. She leaves now a Turkish refugee camp for Europe because she heard that people there accept each other.
Sok színruhája oly sokszor elszakadt. Álma adja az álmokat. Megszülte hűtlen gyermekét.
On her way, Exit met a lot of different people. The first was Tizos. He had to live his life in a wheelchair because of a disease. The government in his land helps these kind of people by building ramps and elevators. Then Exit met a peasant. His name is Igor. He's appreciated in his land because people know he's working every day for their food they buy in the stores. Later on, Exit met the family of Mili. There live a lot of children in this family, and it's hard to feed everyone from a little money. The society of their country helps them by giving them benefits. There were people who joined Exit just on the end of her journey. John was one of them. He just couldn't move like Theseus, but he was old. His land also helps him and the old people too. She met at last time with Marita. Unfortunately, she's mentally weaker than others. In her country, people helped her to improve her skills in her childhood, and now she can live a normal life.